I can interact more in a lecture now because of the fact that I don't literally just have to keep making notes all the time. I can ask questions to a lecturer, and because if I miss something, I can always go back, and it's just you just don't miss a point. Then really, that's the most important thing. And during exam time, if there are concepts we did in January, and now it's April, I revise them back, same as attending an actual lecture. So that's great, I think.
Incorporating lecture capture into my studies now, it's pretty much it's just like it's merged within my normal studying habits. Like now I'd use more technology. I'd use my iPad just to try and open a lecture capture, a lecture that's been recorded for me, and then as I'm making my notes, I'm able to play the lecture, listen to it, and then also keep on writing my notes, but at my own pace. So it's perfectly fine for my studying needs.
So it's changed the way I study a little bit because I don't take notes as much in the lectures, and I can see that it does the same for a lot of other people, because you can go back and any extra things that the lectures have said, because I try to keep the slides minimalistic, so anything that the lectures have said, we don't have to write it down, which actually means that we can be more interactive and ask questions. And then if you think, oh, I remember what we were talking about, you can go back and watch it. And I think for me, especially with exam revision, the notes that I've made, I use the lectures and the slides and the notes that I've made together to build my revision packs. And I think it's already done for you on a lecture capture. So I think that's how it's changed the way that I study, more the way that I revise, because the way that I do my assignments and stuff, that hasn't really changed, just a couple of ways that I actually actively participate.